Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate milk. Measure 1 cup cold milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa, and your preferred sweetener. Combine cocoa and a splash of milk first to form a smooth paste, then whisk in the rest of the milk. Taste and adjust sweetness or cocoa intensity. Serve chilled, over ice, or warmed gently. This method keeps textures silky and flavor balanced for any craving. Start by creating a cocoa paste with 2 tablespoons cocoa and a little milk to avoid lumps. Whisk vigorously or use a blender to combine until smooth and frothy. If you prefer warm chocolate milk, heat slowly while stirring to prevent scorching and stop just before boiling. For cold drinks, add ice or chill before serving. Small tweaks like blending time change the mouthfeel noticeably, so experiment a bit. Experiment with simple add-ins to elevate basic chocolate milk into something special. A pinch of salt brightens the chocolate, while 1 teaspoon vanilla adds a comforting aroma. For a richer twist, try 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or a shot of espresso for grown-up flavor. You can also swap cow milk for almond or oat milk for different textures and sweetness levels. Small changes make big flavor differences.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.